And it's Mine Crypto here, back again to talk about Quant. The title of the video is They Are Launching. This is big news. Please subscribe, please hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any further videos. Remembering, this is not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, and you should not use the information I provide here as a signal to buy or sell. So here we are, we look at the crypto bubbles. We are currently ranked 46 with a 1.23 billion market cap with a 24-hour volume of 23 million. We are currently sitting at $102 and we are down 0.7% in the hour, down 1.8% in the day and down 1.7% in the week, but still up 16.3% in the month. The market looks a bit red today, but as I'm always saying, I get so many people fudding and all the rest of it saying, oh, it's not doing anything, but I don't really care. I'm looking at this as a long-term hold. So the information that I provide is on that basis. It's not based on mood boys that want price action right now. I look into details based on where this is headed. You know, if I hold this until 2030, then I will. I'm not looking for something to be made tomorrow, the next day. Like some of these coins where you see a 20% hike and people will be taking their profit. I am not a trader. I am here to invest. And I see this from Bullsart Trading for those who are traders and want to trade. So I do cover both sides of the coin, and we can see here daily time frame closed below the 200 EMA yesterday, the channel high line holding as support. We can also see this on the 4-day chart, 4-hour time frames. We can see higher low printed, but this is yet to be validated. The 200 EMA holding as support for the time being. Lose that and we expect overrun for the fair value gaps and sell side. Some will see this as boring price action and will flip their quant holdings for coins and tokens that are making moves, as I've just talked about as well. What we have to understand is quant is not meant for the likes of you or me. It is an institutional token, and we are just a byproduct of that. Mr. Market Maker and the institutes don't want you holding quant, and in his opinion will try to shake you out and get you to sell due to the boring price movements. We will diamond hand this mofo until we see it fit. And that's the way I see it, you know. I believe there's lots going on, and I've posted quite a few tweets with regards to what I feel is happening. And I'm seeing lots of movement from big wallets moving from the exchange to their private wallets, which is also a very positive thing. We're seeing some big buys as well, which is also a nice indication. But they will manipulate the market. They will create a boring scenario for all of us. And I think this is why you're seeing all this sort of negativity with people saying it's not doing anything, it's just sitting there, no price action. But of course, if you're in this for the short term, that would be boring and it would be annoying. But if you're in this for the long term and you look at the fundamentals, then there's all to play for. In my opinion, this is not financial advice. So I see this from Dr. Martin Heisborg, and he is the research head at Uphold. And I thought it was quite a good indication. He said the institutions are here. In the last 30 days, BlackRock and Barclays use JP Morgan's blockchain in a milestone collateral transaction. BlackRock CEO says he believes Bitcoin and crypto will play a role as a flight to quality. Major European clearinghouses Euroclear issues the first ever tokenized digital Eurobond worth $106 million. JP Morgan reveals that its digital coin handles $1 billion worth of transactions daily. Crypto market cap nears 1.5 trillion for the first time in nearly 2 years. CME Bitcoin futures opens interest surpasses Binance to claim the #1 spot for the first time in 2 years. UBS launches crypto ETF trading for wealthy Hong Kong clients. Japanese banking giant Nomura launches ETF fund. BlackRock files for spot Ethereum ETF. HSBC announces digital assets custody service to institutional investors. UK sets out proposals to bring stablecoins into the real economy. HSBC launched tokenized ownership of physical gold. Thailand's 4th largest bank buys $103 million stake in crypto exchange. Standard Chartered Zodia custody expands to Hong Kong. Wisdom Tree announces plans for more digital funds for blockchain-enabled app. World Bank rolls out first digital bond issuance on Euroclear. Standard Charter to invest $100 million in crypto startups. Now, that's just in the last 30 days. And I like the fact that he's put it all together in this way. And from where he sits as a head of research at Uphold, makes me think he knows what he's talking about. And I also see this from the three Antons. Stocks and cryptos are about to go parabolic 100%. The US bond market has crashed. Every analyst will tell you that this is a bad bearish for stocks and crypto. However, it's quite the opposite. The bond market is 10 times larger and more liquid than the stock market. The stock market relies on industries that are functioning the world, which is tech, oil, gold, food, etc. The bond market only relies on one asset, which is the US dollar. The bond market will not survive this crash. The rich and the bond traders know this. Why? The US government has lost credibility from its foreign countries. In politics, your credibility is valued by your currency. US just got downgraded by Moody's. Every single bond market trader is eyeing stocks and cryptos. Most recent 3Q earning call, Coinbase, Robinhood, Schwab, etc., all stated that retail trading volume is significantly down compared to most previous Qs. Meaning, as I've been saying for a very long time, that retail is completely wiped out and nowhere to be seen. Retail comes in at the top, yet crypto is trading at yearly highs, gold is trading at yearly highs, and the stock market is very resilient and keeps on trapping the bears, meaning there is a major accumulation going on by Wall Street, hedge funds, institutions, and bond traders. $6 trillion is sitting in savings accounts, earning 5 to 6% APR. At the same time, BTC is up 50%. Gold is trading near all-time highs. Magnificent 7 stock are near or making all-time highs, meaning the $6 trillion is losing buying power day by day and will soon capitulate into stocks and crypto. I cannot promise you the exact bottom, but an epic bull run is on its way. And I like this from him because it sort of correlates with all the other news from Martin Heisborg, from Uphold, with all the wonderful stuff that's going on. And I see this from San. This is very, very important. Big boy stuff. Full launch is coming soon. And as we can see here, Finality. And I'll click on this so you can see it. Bank of England unveils special central bank account ideal for Finality blockchain settlement tokens, Ledger Insights Enterprise blockchain. Today, the Bank of England unveiled a new kind of central bank account that means Finality, the firm founded by 15 major financial institutions, will be able to go live once it's approved. Finality, formerly known as Utility Settlement Coin USC, is designed to enable that. And as we can see down here, Gilbert Verdian, we speak to Finality a lot. They are a settlement technology. We can interoperate Finality with blockchains. So that is absolutely unbelievable. It's great. And we can see here, Finality Global Payments, interoperability, Finality, and we can see connect to any blockchain, Hyperledger, Corda, some dot connecting here, which we all like, and we can see here specific purpose networks such as settlements for network Finality, LackChain, and we know who they work with. And we can see here, since then, Finality has built out a private blockchain network modeled after Ethereum that allows banks to transfer money 24 hours a day. The network isn't live yet, but Ram says a full launch is imminent for the UK. Now, what do we know about Finality? So Finality International started its life as a pure research project, better understand how DLT could change financial markets. So that line in itself, the initiative became known as the USC, the Utility Settlement Token Project, with core objective the creation of peer-to-peer digital cash asset to settle tokenized transactions with Finality. And we can see that down here, Finality now boasts 17 major institutions as shareholders: Banco Santander, BNY Mellon, Barclays, CIBC, Commerce Bank, Credit Suisse, Euroclear, and we talked about that a moment ago, ING, KBC Group, Lloyds Banking Group, Mizuho Financial Group, MFG Bank, Nasdaq, Nomura, Sumitomo, Mitsui Banking Corporation, State Street Corporation, and UBS. They are massive. And I put out a tweet earlier with regards to this, and I said, not long now. Quant is not long until Finality launches. I wonder who they'll be using. Interoperability is key to tap into the 125 to 127 trillion market. And we can see here from Sir John's speech, Bank of England indirectly referenced Finality, the wholesale settlement solution, waiting for the banks to go ahead to launch, which is absolutely, again, another dot connected. Finality International here. Banks in Germany are preserving their B2B payments market with bank deposit tokens minted onto DLT networks, as Ledger Insights covers interoperability is key to tap into that 125 to 127 trillion dollar market alongside private wholesale CBDCs alternatives like Finality. So looking absolutely amazing. And then we see this article from Coindesk. Tokenized cash, fintech Finality raises $95 million, led by Goldman and BNP Paribas. DTCC, Euroclear, Nomura, and WisdomTree also participated in Series B funding round. Finality, a fintech firm building tokenized version of major currencies collateralized by cash held at central banks, has raised $95 million in Series B funding led by Goldman Sachs and BNP Paribas. And we can see all these names again: DTCC, Euroclear, Nomura, WisdomTree participated in the round. So this is all connecting, and they are due to launch in the UK imminently, as we've seen from San, and with all the news that we can see, even Dr. Martin High's book from Uphold, all giving their piece of information. And for me, it's just putting it all together. We research, we look, we connect dots, waiting for the big boys to play their game. So there you go, guys. Quite juicy when you think about it. And please remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any further videos on Quant. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I can't stress that more. All the best, and I'll catch you later.